Hi. If you're ready to test your knowledge before your DMV test, or just brush up on your skills, let's go. Today we will take a 20-question test for the state of New York. You can pause the video and mark your correct answers and write them in the comments. To pass the test, you need to answer at least 14 questions correctly. Let's go. First question. What should you do if an emergency vehicle with flashing lights is approaching from behind? A. Continue driving at the same speed. B. Pull over to the right and stop. C. Move to the left lane and slow down. Time. Correct answer, B. Second, when approaching a railroad crossing with flashing red lights, you must A. Stop and wait until the lights stop flashing. B. Slow down and proceed carefully. C. Cross if no train is visible. Time. Correct answer, A. Question 3. On a multi-lane road, a solid yellow line on your side means A. Passing is permitted with caution. B. Passing is prohibited. C. Passing is allowed during daylight hours only. Time. Correct answer, B. 4. When may you legally park within 15 feet of a fire hydrant in New York? A. When picking up passengers. B. When your hazard lights are on. C. Never. Time. Correct answer, C. 5. If a traffic signal is green but the intersection is blocked by traffic, you should A. Enter the intersection and wait. B. Sound your horn and proceed. C. Remain behind the crosswalk until space is available. Time. Correct answer, C. Question 6. What is the legal blood alcohol concentration, BAC, limit for drivers aged 21 and older in New York? A. 0, 8%. B. 0, 10%. C. 0, 5%. Time. Correct answer, A. 7. When driving in fog, you should use A. High beam headlights. B. Low beam headlights. C. Parking lights only. Time. Correct answer, B. Question 8. A broken white line between lanes means A. Lane changes are permitted when safe. B. Lane changes are prohibited. C. Traffic moves in opposite directions. Time. Correct answer, A. 9. What should you do if your vehicle begins to skid? A. Brake hard immediately. B. Turn the wheel opposite the skid without braking. C. Steer in the direction you want the vehicle to go. Time. Correct answer, C. Question 10. Under New York's move-over law, drivers must A. Increase speed when passing emergency vehicles. B. Move over or slow down for stopped emergency and hazard vehicles. C. Stop completely in all lanes. Time. Correct answer, B. 11. Before changing lanes, you should A. Check mirrors, signal, and check blind spots. B. Signal only. C. Check your rearview mirror only. Time. Correct answer, A. Question 12. A steady yellow traffic light means A. Stop immediately regardless of location. B. Speed up before red appears. C. The signal is about to turn red. Time. Correct answer, C. 13. When approaching a pedestrian using a white cane or guide dog, you must A. Yield the right-of-way. B. Proceed if the pedestrian is not in your lane. C. Honk to alert the pedestrian. Time. Correct answer, A. Question 14. The maximum speed limit in New York is A. 55 miles per hour everywhere. B. 65 miles per hour unless otherwise posted. C. 70 miles per hour on rural highways. Time. Correct answer, B. 15. If an officer directs traffic at an intersection, you should obey A. The traffic signal. B. The road signs. C. The officer's instructions. Time. Correct answer, C. Question 16. A driver may pass on the right only when A. The maneuver can be made safely and legally. B. The vehicle ahead is moving slowly. C. Driving on the shoulder. Time. Correct answer, A. 17. When must headlights be turned on in New York? A. Only after sunset. B. From 1/2 hour after sunset to 1/2 hour before sunrise, and when visibility is poor. C. Only during rain. Time. Correct answer, B. Question 18. If you miss your exit on an expressway, you should A. Back up carefully. B. Make a U-turn at the next opening. C. Continue to the next exit. Time. Correct answer, C. 19. What is the safest following distance under normal conditions? A. At least 3 seconds behind the vehicle ahead. B. 1 second behind the vehicle ahead. C. 1 car length for every 20 miles per hour. Time. Correct answer, A. Question 20. When approaching a school bus with flashing red lights from either direction on a two-lane road, you must A. Slow down and proceed with caution. B. Stop until the lights stop flashing. C. Pass if children are not visible. Time. Correct answer, B. Yeah, that's the end of it. You did well to make it to the end. Write in the comments if you answered correctly. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe so you don't miss new tests. Thank you for watching.